What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back down here. We've got the truck and trailer right behind me over here set up, my gooseneck brought down because we are going to be picking up the Project L5P. Super excited about this. Actually going to be the most weight that I put on this trailer yet, so if I act like I'm a little bit nervous to haul it, I'll go ahead and admit it on camera, but we are going to load this sucker up. I know you guys are watching this series most likely out of order, and we can't thank you enough if you've been following along. You're seeing this in reverse, so it's really awkward to film this right now because normally I'm saying we're going to progress this build, but we are just starting it, even though this is like the several video in a row now. So anyway, super weird, but we're going to go ahead and meet Ovi over by the shop to get the truck picked up here. Load it on the trailer, buckle down, take it out to the other shop so he can get on this build. As you're seeing, it's probably getting torn down and you've already seen the final product. Or if this is the first video you've clicked on, please go back and watch some of the other ones and get caught up with us. It's a super fun journey, super fun process, and just can't thank all of you. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this sucker loaded up and on the trailer. And he just rolled up here to the shop conveniently. We're right down here when he's opening up shop today. It is a work day, so we're gonna try to stay out of his hair as much as possible. Where's some lights, boy? And voila, there she is. Oh my gosh, I get excited every time I see this booger. Looking like a straight Denali already. And look at all the parts. Literally cannot even walk in here. There's so many parts. There's at least $10,000, $15,000 worth of parts in here. All kinds of stuff. Tailgate, center console, coolant reservoir, wiper reservoir, new bumper, cab lights. I mean, you name it. This sucker is crazy. I'm freaked out. Where are we going to put all these parts? And we're going to have to sort them when we get over to the other shop. But man, air compressor in the back. What are we going to do? Let's try to get everything in there that we can. Little hood scoop action. My golly. What a crazy deal. I'm freaked out, guys. Somebody come down and give me a hand. Okay, so we have this sucker loaded, absolutely loaded to the gills with parts. I mean, every box possible. I couldn't even get the headliner and the new bumper in there, but maybe we can just put them on the trailer or something. But guys, how many boxes could you possibly need for one truck? This thing has all the goodies coming to it. It just looks absolutely crazy. I love how they even got the plastic on the seat still. Even though we're gonna change the seats out. Still looks crazy, weird with no headliner. Just stripped down to the bones and gonna be rebuilt crazy. And the air compressor cracks me up. All right, let's try to get this sucker out here and load it. All right, so it came right out of the shop, no problem at all. Some of these boxes are kind of light and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and strap these down before I put it on the trailer so I don't have to do a jungle gym style crawl across the top there. But look at it out in the wild now. She's gonna be absolutely crazy with all these parts put on. I just can't get over it. But let's go ahead and see if we can find some. Look, Ovi, you still got my tires over there, boy. I hope you're not driving on that bald one still, but let's go ahead and get a couple of them straps and put on there, and we'll get this sucker loaded up. And voila, what do you guys think? We got her loaded up here. Oh yeah, how's she look on the trailer? Absolutely gorgeous, in my opinion. Ovi had to leave immediately as soon as he came to say hi. He got called for a service call. Like I said, this is a work day, so we missed him again, but he will be happy that his truck is getting taken over to his shop so he can work on it on his own leisure. But man, guys, now we can go on the maiden voyage. First time pulling a heavy duty truck. Can't wait to see how it does. Probably gonna get 0 miles to the gallon and gonna feel every bit of it, but at least it looks cool, right? That's what YouTube's all about. You ain't gotta worry about it. It's my problem now. Here we go. Look at that sucker cruising down the expressway. Focus in, boy. Or back there. I don't know, but this thing is riding like an absolute cannonball weight. This thing is heavy, boy. Even spun out a little bit on the pavement trying to get this sucker in gear because the roads are wet, but boy, you can feel it, but it is looking cool, and we're not even gonna worry about the gas. We're just gonna floor it. Not really. Take it easy, boy. Oh yeah, just cruising down the gravel road here now. Gotta love it. Windows down, truck still there. Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, we just gotta get a little shot of it, don't we? Got the Celsius going. Got no traffic, obviously, because we're on the back roads. Oh, we're flinging some rocks, though. Okay, we just rolled back up to the shop. Whew, we made it, guys. Let's see how she did. Oh, boy, look at her up there. Gosh, that looks so good. And I did end up pulling into the driveway here. Why not? We were that close. We weren't going to leave it in the road. See how tight them straps are. Oh, they didn't really come loose at all, I don't think. But, man, what a setup, guys. This is going to be an absolute unit. Didn't lose any boxes either, so we can drop the ramps now. Like I said, we'll go ahead and get the drone out here. But, man, look, Ovi's got his trailer over there, too. We just got trailers, on campers, on everything. Let's go, 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 go. Those drone shots were freaking epic. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I'm gonna go ahead and climb in here now. Do you guys want to come with and back this sucker down? Got the ramps down, got the straps off, and we should be ready to back this sucker off. Just you and me, I guess. Look at this, the window tint. Jeez, that's like getting up into a semi here. Oh, shoot fire. How'd the contents go? One thing moved. Hey, maybe it fell out of there, didn't it? Anyways, okay, see if this sucker will start up. Boy, we gotta do something about that steering wheel. Oh yeah, like a dream. I'm gonna back this sucker straight down now. Back her down. Boom. Full send or no send, right? Can we see what we're doing? Kinda. Reverse, right? That's it. Back her down, Harry. Woo! Off she goes. Where'd you guys go? You guys okay? Yes! Always a little carnage. Hey, look, the backup camera works. Oh boy, did we hurt anything? Hopefully not. See, that's why I want to do it on camera, because it's funny. No lights. Everything all good? Ramp good? Yep. Yep, drive over ramps held up. Okay, guys. Sweet. No harm, no foul. Truck is unloaded. Now let's get to work. Now we gotta put it in the shop here. And look, I told you it's 2025, Christmas time. Got the tree and everything. I know we just had a friend's party in here. We gotta go ahead. It's nice and clean now without the trailer in there too. So let's open this big door and maybe we'll back it in. Want to back it in? Help them out a little bit. What we got here? A couple little fence steels. Less stuff to run over the better, I would think. So let's go ahead and get in here and back this sucker in. And just like that, there she is in the shop. Oh my gosh, Ove, you're gonna have a riot with this thing. It looks so good in here, just like, it's like it belongs, right? You got all the cool things in here, all the nice lighting, and now you're gonna have a nicely rebuilt, fake Denali, clapped out L5P. That's not clapped. That's gonna be awesome. I'm just talking, super pumped. All right, let's get the boxes out of here and let's get out of here. I mean, just look how much better that bumper is gonna look on that sucker right there. But I told Ove, this looks absolutely hot in the shop right here. I decided to not unload all the boxes and take up all this space. I don't know how soon he's gonna work on this and if he's gonna need this room for anything. But for now, this looks super crazy in the shop, guys. Cannot wait to have some major unboxings here. Again, we're probably gonna break down the series with an interior video, an exterior video, and then like a full reveal. But again, we're filming this forward and then gonna show it to you in reverse, so it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. All right, guys. I'm out of breath, I'm tired. I wanna get the trailer home. Wanna get on with some family stuff we got going on today. Just super blessed over the holidays here, and just thank you guys for all the love and support. Go check out our other videos, hit subscribe, and we will effectively see you in the next one. God bless you all, peace.